Hello teacher, my name is Viviana Castiblanco. This is activity 1, multimodal journeys experience. The fields of my trip. My last vacation was in Europe. I went by plane to Paris to visit my grandfather's. I was wonderful to tour the city by car when we passed the Eiffel Towers. The beach is my second of my trip. After several days in Paris, we waited to come Berlin. We transported ours by train. We were in many beautiful places, such as the Berlin Cathedral. The trip of my trip. We continue now to our journeys to Italy, to Venice. We sailed towards the city when having dinner in Venice Galleon. For my trip from Venice, we went to Rome. We toured the city by bicycle, and we went to the Roman Colosseum and the Basilica of St. Peter. We finished our tour. We returned Colombia. It was a beautiful trip, and we returned home by taxi. Thank you very much. Bye bye.